O thikũ nini tu kuma Apostle James Ng'ang'a gũkorwo akiumbũra ndeto cia magigi iria itigĩte Akenya mamakĩte, kũrĩa araiguĩka akiuga atĩ ye o ũndũ ũmwe na arũme angĩ anana nĩmakorirwo makĩnyita mũtumia kĩa hinya na thutha ũcio magĩkorwo makĩmũtiganĩria. Mwĩroreri wakwa, reke ngwĩkĩre ka video kau.
Tulirep mwanamke moja, wanaume 8 Tamagui 8 Sasa tunajuaje na tulimwacha hapo?
Thutha wa woman rep wa kaunti ya Nairobi niwe PASSARIS kuona ka video kau ka Pastor Ng'ang'a akiuga ũrĩa manyitire mũtumia kĩa hinya marĩ arũme anana, nĩ ararakĩtwo mũno nĩ ũhoro ũcio na akeyumĩria akĩenda kĩhoto gĩkorwo gĩkĩonekana. PASSARIS ekũrĩa mwena wa mbunge nĩ ahoete DCI makorwo makĩingĩrĩra ũhoro ũyũ na magĩkorwo magĩka ũthuthuria kũrĩ Pastor Ng'ang'a, kuona kũnyitana kĩa hinya nĩ mahĩtia manene marĩa matigaga mũndũ traumatized. Mwĩroreri, reke ngwĩkie ka video kau haha no nĩ ngũcokereria ngũthomere ũrĩa PASSARIS augĩte.
Speaker, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order number 44-2C, I rise to request a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Administration and Internal Security regarding a deeply disturbing video clip that has been circulating on social media since yesterday, alleging a confession to rape by Pastor James Ng'ang'a. Honorable Speaker, the clip allegedly shows Pastor Ng'ang'a, a Kenyan tele-evangelist and founder of Neno Evangelism Center located at the intersection of Haile Selassie Avenue and Uhuru Highway, confessing that he and 8 others raped a woman. In this era of artificial intelligence and digital manipulation, it is often difficult to determine whether such content is authentic or fabricated. Nonetheless, a video of this nature demands immediate and serious investigation. If genuine, the clip represents not a summon but a criminal confession that requires urgent action by law enforcement agencies. If fake, it exposes the dangerous misuse of technology to spread falsehood, discredit faith, and re-traumatize survivors of sexual violence. Honorable Speaker, it is against this background that I request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee of Administration and Internal Security on the following. 1. Clarification on measures being taken by the Directorate of Criminal Investigation to authenticate and investigate the circulating video using digital forensic expertise to update the public on the outcome to restore confidence in both faith and justice. 2, an explanation on the mechanisms in place to identify, locate, and protect survivors of sexual violence whose trauma may be aggravated by the circulation of such sensitive media content online. 3, information on the plans by government to regulate, monitor, and curb the misuse of artificial intelligence and other digital technologies that generate or manipulate contents amounting to criminal misinformation or obstruction of justice so as to prevent technological abuse that undermine morality, public trust, and national cohesion. I thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Agathi na mbere na kuga, rape is a serious crime and a traumatic event for many survivors. It is never funny. Mwĩroreri wakwa, ũguo nĩguo PASSARIS akiugĩte, na agakĩenda thirikari ĩkorwo ĩkĩingĩrĩra gwĩka investigation nĩgetha mũtumia ũcio wakĩnyitirwo kĩa hinya agĩkorwo akĩona kĩhoto gĩake. Mwĩroreri wakwa, ngĩtigĩre hau, no ndũkariganĩrwo kũnjĩra mawoni maku nĩ marĩkũ thĩinĩ wa comment section.